Most YouTubers spend 4 to 6 hours writing a single script. I just did it in under 10 minutes. And no, it doesn't sound robotic. It doesn't sound like ChatGPT threw up on a Google Doc. It sounds like me. I'm going to show you the exact prompts I use, the exact structure, the exact way to get Claude to write in your voice instead of its voice. Stick around, because the prompt I show you at the end is the one that changed everything. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Using AI to write scripts isn't about typing, "Write me a YouTube script about X." That gives you garbage, generic, stiff, lifeless garbage that your audience will click off of in 8 seconds. The problem isn't the AI. The problem is the prompt. Most people treat Claude like a vending machine. They put in a keyword and expect a script to fall out. That's not how this works. Claude is more like a really talented ghostwriter who just walked into the room cold. No context, no idea who you are, no clue what your audience cares about. Your job is to brief it, like a professional. And when you do that, it's terrifying how good the output is. Before you write a single script, you need to do this once. Paste in 2 or 3 of your best-performing video scripts, or even transcripts from your videos. Then give Claude this exact prompt. Here are 3 scripts I've written for my YouTube channel. Analyze my writing style, sentence length, tone, vocabulary, how I open loops, how I use humor. Then describe my voice back to me in detail. I'll use this as a reference for future scripts. Claude will literally reverse engineer your style. It'll tell you things like, you use short, punchy sentences. You ask rhetorical questions every 45 to 60 seconds. You rarely use words over 3 syllables. Save that output. That's your voice profile. You only do this once. From now on, every script starts with you pasting that voice profile at the top of your Claude conversation. This is the step 95% of creators skip. And it's why their AI scripts sound like AI scripts. Okay, let's actually do this. Here's my exact workflow. Minute 1, the brief. I open Claude and I paste my voice profile. Then I give it what I call the brief. It looks like this. You are writing a YouTube script in my voice. Here is my voice profile. Topic, your topic. Target audience, describe them. Main promise of the video, what they'll walk away with. Desired video length, around 8 minutes. Tone, your tone. That's it. 1 paragraph, 60 seconds. Minutes 2 to 4, the outline. Before the full script, I ask for an outline first. Give me a 5-section outline with a hook concept, 3 body sections, and a CTA. Include 1 open loop per section. I review it. I tweak 1 or 2 things. Maybe I reorder a section. This takes 2 minutes, not 20. Minutes 4 to 9, the full draft. Now I say, write the full script using this outline. Write in spoken English, contractions, short sentences, direct address. Add pause markers every 60 seconds and visual suggestions for every scene change. Do not use bullet points or essay formatting. This is meant to be spoken out loud. And then you watch it write your video. It's genuinely weird the first time you see it. Minute 9 to 10, the Polish pass. One final prompt. Read this back and flag any sentence that sounds like AI wrote it. Rewrite those sentences to match my voice profile. Claude will actually catch its own robotic lines and fix them. Then I do 1 fast read aloud. Change 3 or 4 words. Done. Okay. I said I'd show you the one prompt that changed how I do this. Here it is. Before you write anything, tell me, what is the one thing a viewer should feel 10 seconds after this video ends? Not think, feel. Build the entire script around making them feel that. That sounds simple, but it forces Claude to reverse engineer your script from the emotional payoff backward, instead of building forward from information. That's the difference between a video people finish and a video people abandon. Most YouTube scripts are built around what to say. The best ones are built around what to make someone feel. Claude understands that distinction if you ask it the right way. I'm not going to pretend this is magic. Claude can't give you the idea. That still has to come from you, your experience, your audience, your specific angle. It can't replace the read aloud. You still have to speak your script out loud before you film it. Every time. And it can't manufacture credibility. If you haven't lived what you're teaching, the script will feel hollow, no matter how clean it sounds. Think of Claude as the best script editor you've ever had. It's fast, it doesn't have an ego, and it'll rewrite the same section 10 times without complaining. But the ideas, the stories, the specific moments that make people trust you, that's still you. If you want to test this today, start with just the voice profile step. Pull one of your old scripts, paste it into Claude, ask it to describe your writing style back to you. Read what it says. I promise you'll find it a little unsettling, in the best possible way. If this was useful, I put together a full breakdown of every prompt I use, in order, in the next video. It's already up. Check it out. And if you've been sleeping on Claude for content creation, now you know where to start. See you in the next one.